Today, we're diving into one of DJI's most anticipated releases yet, the Osmo Pocket 4. After months of speculation, regulatory hints, and industry hype, it's finally making its debut, but not without a few surprises. Reports suggest that while the Pocket 4 hardware is mostly finalized, unresolved quality control issues with accessories, like mounts, cases, and modular add-ons, have pushed the release into January 2026, instead of late 2025 as many expected. Interestingly, FCC filings confirm a 20% larger battery compared to the Pocket 3, hinting at real hardware improvements. And those blurry lab images showing dual-camera prototypes? They suggest DJI is testing heavier optics, larger sensors, and upgraded stabilization, likely to support 6K video at 60 FPS, enhanced HDR, and low-light improvements. Even more intriguing, rumors point to a variable aperture system from f2 to f4 and 360 degrees panning capabilities, turning the Pocket 4 from just a compact gimbal into possibly the most powerful handheld DJI has ever made. But DJI isn't stopping at handheld cameras. FCC filings also hint at a new drone, the DJI Avata 360. This hybrid FPV drone may combine aggressive FPV flight with full 360 degrees video capture, thanks to a clever rotating gimbal mechanism. Leaked specs suggest dual 1.1-inch sensors, 8K 360 degrees video at 50 FPS, FPV mode at 4K 5K 120 FPS, a 38 to 67 watt-hours battery, and DJI's latest O4 transmission system. Internal storage could reach 128 GB, plus support for microSD, next-gen FPV goggles, and multiple controllers. Pricing? Early estimates suggest roughly $600 to $800 USD, placing it in the premium FPV and 360 degrees camera market, a serious contender against upcoming competitors. So whether you're a solo content creator, travel filmmaker, or immersive VR storyteller, DJI's next moves are shaping up to redefine both handheld and aerial filming. The Osmo Pocket the 4th of May have a delayed launch, but the innovation packed inside makes the wait worthwhile, and the Avata 360 could be DJI's boldest aerial release yet. Get ready, 2026 could be the most transformative year for DJI fans ever.